In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Salesforce Maps. Whether you're new to Salesforce or just looking to enhance your mapping capabilities, this guide will help you navigate and set up Salesforce Maps with ease in just 5 minutes. To start, let's head over to Salesforce. If you're not already on the homepage, type in the Salesforce URL into your browser and press enter. Now once the page loads, you'll want to move your cursor to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find the login button. This is your gateway into the Salesforce universe. Click that button and prepare to enter your credentials. Upon clicking, a drop-down menu will appear prompting you to select Salesforce. Make sure this is the option you choose to move to the login page directly. Once you're here, go ahead and enter your Salesforce username and password. Remember to ensure these details are accurate to avoid any login issues and click Login. Successfully logging into Salesforce will bring you to your home page, specifically the Lightning interface, which is user-friendly and comes with a variety of quick access tools. Now look towards the top right once again, but instead of logging in, you'll click on Quick Settings. It may look like a gear icon, so keep an eye out for that. In the Quick Settings menu, you'll see an option labeled Open Advanced Setup. Clicking this will take you into the heart of Salesforce's setup options, where you can delve into more specialized settings like the one we need today. With the advanced setup opened, use the quick find box to search for maps and location. This box is extremely helpful for swiftly moving through different sections without the hassle of scrolling. Simply type in maps and location, and it will appear in your list of options. Next, you'll want to click on Maps and Location settings. This is your primary hub for adjusting how Salesforce Maps behaves and interacts with your data. Once you've selected this, you'll notice an Edit button on the page. Clicking Edit is essential as it allows modifications to the default settings. Here you have the power to enable maps and location as well as the autocomplete feature. Enabling these will provide you with the enhanced mapping features and predictive search capabilities, making data entry and retrieval smoother and faster. Finally, after making all these changes, don't forget to click Save. This ensures that all your adjustments are recorded and applied. Saving is a critical step to confirm that everything is set up correctly and the Salesforce Maps function is ready to be leveraged. And there you have it, folks, a streamlined way to set up and use Salesforce Maps, designed to improve your geolocation abilities and data management in Salesforce. Thanks for watching and happy mapping.